actually so what it is, obviously it's kind of big, but it comes to the keyboard. Even this one, like this one. But there's champions. This Goku, Luffy, Naruto. I don't know, dude. I don't know that one. Satana, guy's name. This one. Then we have Todoroki down here, and then like this champion. And then we just have Tifa, which is not bad. So, but you have to send it. See, this is where kind of like it is. 100 kilo. That's not bad at all. He's actually that's complicated. Alright, and then double change to Gentle. And see, he is one. So you have to say you can even vote for your map, which is really cool. My personal favorite is like Dimension. But I'll do like a range or two because I have to make this kind of quick. In this range, I'm not really doing range. No. I tried, I just died right away. I have Dragon Rush, Instant, Ki Blast, and then I have Death Ball, which takes 2. Because usually the ball just only takes 1, but Death Ball takes 2. But I'm not really afraid to go like right into action either. You know, I've been playing this game for a while now. I think I'm pretty good at it. What did you do? Ow, got hit. Alright, so yeah, so we only take 2 on, we have to do that. But there is one that is only 1, and I will do that. I might do that one later. I'm done, guys. I'm up in the middle of the battle. Why stop? I don't know, stop. Okay. So, I think Goku is useful, and this would not use any others. I'm only one. Yeah, see. I'm not my prime like I used to be. But this is just a little short video from me for Death Ball. Okay. Let me actually, I don't know. No, not range. I'll do a quick one life. I'll do a quick one life for y'all. Yeah, I know. So this one, people only have 1 life. And obviously, not so much people. Because no one likes 1 life. But the thing is, if you're not up with Death Ball, you'll get, I don't like Death Ball. I tried my friend Death Ball and he flipping dominated, dude. This guy just quit the game. Newbie, dude. Alright, so this is only 1 life. You did. And I just dropped my phone. Open for me. Okay. Throughout. That was a very good round. I would say that. That was not a good round. I'll come back to you when another one is starting. Yeah, I'll come back to you when another one is starting. Alright, oh. I almost died. I was trying to unpause it. That almost backfired. Oh, this counts as a win. It's W. I'll see you. While she's in the fight. Never mind. That was my play. Oof. Oh, awesome. More than that. Easy dub. Get back to me. But you know, that's just baseball for me. So I'll probably upload this sooner or later. See ya.